Today we're going to announce the winner of the Parts Express shopping spree and let you know what's coming up in the near future. Regarding the annual Midwest Audiofest for 2022, the Audio Swap Meet and Parts Express Warehouse tent sale will not take place this year. However, the speaker design competition will take place August 5th and 6th, 2022. Registration for the speaker design competition is now open on the Parts Express homepage, so sign up today. We look forward to seeing you and your cool projects in Springboro, Ohio. If you will be missing the tent sale, don't sleep on our garage sale events. Once a month, we pull out the clearance, scratch and dent, open box items, and more for deep discounts. The doors to our warehouse will be open and you can snag great gear for a low price. The next garage sale will be Saturday, June 18th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. There will be limited quantities, so first come, first to score. Odeum is a new series of speakers from Dayton Audio built for live sound. These beautiful drivers are all business when it comes to power and long-lasting quality. Available in sizes from 6.5 to 18 inches with neodymium and ferrite versions of the 18, there's something for everyone. Pre-orders are available now, so learn more about the woofers and the Ryman compression drivers over at partsexpress.com. Last month, we were giving away a $250 shopping spree so you can get everything you need for your next project. The winner of that shopping spree is John P. from Glasgow, Kentucky. Big congratulations to John. We'll be in touch soon. No worries if you didn't win. It's a new month. Head over to our giveaway page now and enter to win 2 Morel Arden premium speaker kits. That's a pair of bookshelf speakers that you can build and customize yourself. Good luck, and we'll see you next month.